Did you know? In some parts of Israel, where land is scarce, innovative solutions have transformed the way farming is done. One remarkable approach is vertical farming, where crops are grown on the walls of houses, buildings, and other structures. Imagine turning a plain wall into a lush green tapestry of edible plants. This method isn't just space saving, it's packed with benefits. By eliminating the need for traditional farmland, vertical farming reduces soil pollution since there's minimal soil involved. Plus, pests have a harder time thriving in these controlled vertical environments, which means healthier crops with less need for chemical pesticides. It's an inspiring example of how creativity and technology can overcome challenges, ensuring fresh produce even in the most unexpected places. Vertical farming on walls involves innovative techniques that transform hard, vertical surfaces into thriving spaces for plants. Here's how it's done. 1. Installing vertical farming systems. Farmers use specialized structures like modular panels, hydroponic systems, or living walls to create plant-friendly environments on walls. These structures can be mounted onto existing walls or built as freestanding vertical units. Living walls. These are panels with pockets or troughs filled with soil or a growing medium where plants are rooted. Hydroponic walls. In hydroponics, plants grow in nutrient-rich water rather than soil. The walls are fitted with channels or containers where water circulates to feed the plants. 2. Using lightweight growing media. Instead of traditional soil, lightweight materials like coconut coir, peat moss, or rock wool are used. These materials retain water and nutrients efficiently while reducing the overall weight on the wall. 3. Irrigation systems. An integrated drip irrigation system ensures the plants get the right amount of water and nutrients. Water trickles down from the top of the wall, flowing through the layers of plants. Excess water is collected and recycled, making the process highly efficient. 4. Planting techniques. Plants are carefully selected based on their growth habits and compatibility with the vertical environment. Common choices include herbs like basil and mint, leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, and even small fruits like strawberries. The plants are inserted into pockets or trays built into the vertical structure. 5. Environmental control. Vertical farming walls often include sensors and automation to monitor light, temperature, and humidity. LED grow lights may be installed to provide plants with optimal light conditions, even indoors or in shaded areas. 6. Maintenance. To keep the walls healthy, regular pruning, pest control, and nutrient replenishment are performed. Thanks to the controlled setup, pest infestations and diseases are significantly reduced. By turning walls into productive growing spaces, this method not only maximizes land use, but also contributes to urban greening, reduces heat in cities, and provides fresh food right where people live. It's a fascinating blend of agriculture and architecture